Hey guys, welcome to new video. I'm going to show you how to install a superkilometer filter odometer blocker on a Ford Transit. We'll cover everything step by step, what you get with the product, what tools you'll need for the installation, and how to set it up and use the different modes. So let's get started. This right here is the odometer blocker we'll be installing. It's the long cable version, and it also comes with a blind plug. Now, for disassembling the dashboard, you'll need some plastic removal tools. The outer covers on the dashboard are held in place with clips, so they're pretty easy to remove. Just pop off all the covers and screws you see in the video. Most odometer blockers connect behind the speedometer in the main cable connector, so we'll need to take apart the dashboard around the steering wheel to get to the speedometer panel. Once you've done that, you'll see 4 screws holding it in place. Unscrew those, and behind the panel, you'll find the main speedometer cable. Here's what you do next. Unplug the cable and connect the superkilometer filter exactly like I'm showing you. One connector goes to the cable coming from the system, and the other plugs into the speedometer panel. Don't worry, these are original plugs, so they fit perfectly. That's it for the installation. Now, let's move on to activation. You can activate the blocker in 2 ways, either through the app SKF Speed V2 or manually by pulling the high beam lever 5 times. Here's a quick overview of the modes. Mode 1, 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 2, 20% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 3, 60% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 4, 100% of the mileage is recorded as normal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.